Hello, I'm Jessica Grisolia, Director of Retail Industry Solution at Scandit. Today, I'm going to show you some of the latest Scandit innovation for grocers. So, if you're looking to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency, keep watching. We have something to help you, especially when it comes to automation. This is great when you have to shift tedious tasks to technology. Here I am in the stockroom. I want to audit what I have in the stockroom to know which items and in which quantity I need to take to replenish the shelf in the front of house. And I also want to know if there's something that has expired. So I'm going to take my smart device, powered by Scandit Smart Data Capture technology, and hover on the items that I'm interested into. As you can see, that I've captured all the barcodes. I'm going to see some red overlays that signal that some items have expired and I need to dispose of, as well as some tasks that I can interact with that tell me which items I should prioritize to replenish the shelves and in what quantity. Now that my shelves have been restocked, I want to make sure that I can help customers that are placing order online to get exactly what they ordered in the least amount of time possible. Here I am a picker trying to fulfill my order as fast as I can. I arrive in front of a shelf and I need to pick cake. Imagine there are so many items that look the same. Spices are a good example. So here I'm looking for a specific type of cake, but I'm a little bit distracted and I take the wrong one. In this case, Smart Data Capture powered by Scandit helps me immediately have a notification that this is the wrong item, I shouldn't pick it. I can also find items much easier using Scandit MatrixScan Find. In this case, I'm gonna just point at the shelf and our solution is gonna tell me that this is the cake I'm looking for. It's very easy then to scan it and move on with my workflow. During the order fulfillment process, it's very difficult for pickers to process weighted items, like deli meats or nuts, for instance. In this case, I need to insert the weight within my picking workflow, and it's very tough not to make a mistake when doing that manually. But Scandit Smart Data Capture technology has us covered. In this case, I'm just going to use our technology to hover on the product. We're going to capture the barcode as well as the unit items and the price, so no need to insert the weight and price manually. Very easier for our pickers now not to do any mistakes and go ahead with their order fulfillment. Many online orders contain age-restricted goods. In this case, checking IDs at the point of delivery may create some complications and inefficiencies. At Scandit, we have a way of automating this process when the customer is placing the order on the e-commerce. We created a pre-built plugin that can be integrated into any website with just a few lines of code and enables our software for ID scanning. So here I am doing my online grocery. At the point of checkout, I have some wine in my basket. So the website from the Grocers prompts me to scan my ID. So we'll smooth out those processes for delivery. I go to checkout, I scan with my camera, scan the QR code, then I take my ID, I scan the ID, and here I'm ready for my online orders. I can now finish my checkout. Speed up collection and delivery operations by ensuring the recipient is old enough to purchase the desired products and avoid headache of having to return the goods to the retailer and reshelf the item. Automation can truly help grocers with their innovation journey. In isolation, those processes seem to gain small improvements, but when applied to thousands of orders and SKUs, this realizes true transformation for grocers around the world. So Scandit provides smart data capture power to fuel automation. Ultimately, we will provide your customers with the right item in the right place to the customer that wants it. If you'd like to talk about this innovation with our team, let us know and contact us.